Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this. This is the wireless smart magnetic charger. It's the MagSafe charger for my iPhone 14 something, and I've got a case that has the MagSafe charger on it. You can also do it without the case. But we're gonna check this thing out. Looks like whatever it is, this paper's falling out. I guess it's the instructions. Let's see what those look like here. So basically it says, put the phone on the pad. There we go. I guess the camera's over here somewhere, so yeah. So I'm recording from my iPad. Usually I record from my phone, but because I'm testing it out, got that. So let's check this out here. So let's see this one here. It is, looks like its output power is 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts max. So let's just see what it looks like. So let's check this out here. So box is empty, and this is what it comes with. So it comes with 2 wires with the MagSafe charger, so it looks like it's 2 sets of the same thing, and then it comes with these little converters that'll let you plug it into a traditional USB port instead of the USB-C. But I have a Nugget here that's got the USB-C connector, so we're going to try it on that. So let's open this up and give it a try, see how long these wires are. I don't even remember how long I picked, so we'll see. Let's see how long this is. So it's about 6 feet. Oh, I don't know. I'm almost 6 feet tall, and it's almost as long as me. So there we go. So let's see how this works. So I'll plug this in to the little charger there, and then I have an outlet on the floor here. So I am plugged in now. So let's see what we got here. Oh, it lit up for a second. I don't know if you saw that. Let's see when I hook it up. It magnetizes onto my phone. And look at that, it says it's charging. That's pretty cool. So it's got the real charging, but I have another one, and all it does is light up the little lightning thing on the top. This one here actually does the whole animation. Watch when I go there. See, it's got the whole real animation, and I guess it's got my charge, and it says it's charging, so very cool. So now I'm charging on this. See how the magnet works. The magnet works pretty good. I mean, it's hanging my phone with the case. Let's see what it looks like without the case. And it lights up, I guess, when it's charging. Let's try it without the case here. There, my case is off now, so now it's just a phone. And it's connected to all its parts. You can see here it's connected to everything magnetized to it. So let's try this again here. If I put it up there, it finds its place. And there it goes. And it lights up, so you can see it's lighting up, so you know it's charging. So very cool. So I'm going to say this thing here is awesome. And not sure what brand it is, but I'll let you all know. I will connect it up. But that's the barcode for it if you needed it. But this is very cool. So I'm going to say thumbs up for me for this magnetic charger 2-pack. I'm going to put one of these probably in the car, and the other one I will keep here next to my bed. So very cool. So thumbs up. Links in the description to pick these up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.